Our phone system itself was getting close to 10, 12 years old, and we needed to consider upgrading it, changing it out, or replacing it. We originally were looking at 8 systems. We narrowed it down to 3. We went and looked and talked to businesses and talked to people, compared numbers, and again, Mitel just kept coming out to the top.
It's the differentiators that you need to concentrate on. We like the freedom of being able to leverage our VMware infrastructure. Mitel was good in that they offered us options as far as integrating hardware solutions and VMware solutions, or a combination between the two.
As our needs changed, we saw that the system could easily be modified to meet those challenges. They love the desktop pops.
Hello, this is Donna.
They like the flexibility that the phones provide. If we had a weather incident, we could just have our employees take a phone home with them, plug it into their home network, and be working.
Call center, how may I help you?
One of the pieces that our people really wanted was the ability as a manager to see what was happening in calls. How many calls were we getting, and how fast were those calls being answered, and who was available to answer those calls. And the integrated call center manager was just super for that.
My first thought when I heard about voice virtualization through Mitel, I had some reservations about it running in my VMware environment and hogging resources. But it fit right in the mix, and as a matter of fact, it's using next to nothing as far as resources. We chose VMware, running Mitel on VMware specifically, because we already had it in-house. It was a bit of a no-brainer there, and they are the industry leader, along with Mitel, in virtualization and telephony.
We have contractual arrangements with clients to provide a specific service. If we're unable to provide that service, then we have both a dollar fine that could very well be involved, but it's our reputation, and that's priceless. Virtualization allowed us to minimize the cost and be up and running within 15 minutes.
I manage the Mitel VMware infrastructure the same way I manage all of the other VMware infrastructure, so it's worked out really well.
We started as a traditional interconnect in 1979, doing phone systems and cabling for our customers. In the early 2000s, we started moving forward ahead of the market and designing voice over IP applications and implementing those solutions for our customers. A couple of years ago, we launched a formal IT services offering so we could extend our services from the network infrastructure into servers and desktop support for our customers also. The whole process with Measurement Inc. has been excellent from start to finish. They have a very educated and experienced staff.
They've been extremely supportive, hooked us up with a couple of existing users that they had and allow us to go in and talk with them. We did the implementation over Martin Luther King weekend so we would have 3 days to make sure that everything worked before everybody came back to work on Tuesday, and we were done in 3 hours. So they have truly partnered with us. Things are going to happen, things are going to change, opportunities are going to present themselves, but we don't have a clue what those are right now. So nothing has been impossible, and that's all we ask.